Mr. Yichuk. Today I'm going to be presenting my science fair project. The reason why I chose this project to show the benefits of how volcanoes impact the earth in many different ways. First, you will need plaster, then you would need rocks, a popsicle stick, a mix, a measuring cup, the mold, paint, eruption powder, and a manual, some scissors, and a paintbrush, and 2 bowls just in case. First, you will need to get the powder. You cut it out, and you need to get some water too. So first, we will need to pour 1 cup of water. Put that aside. And now we will need the plaster. And then we'll start mixing with the plaster. Now that it's thick, we can pour it into the mold. Make sure to touch into everywhere. Now I have to put the mold into the oven for 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 degrees Celsius. So this is when you need parent supervision. So 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 degrees Celsius for 1 to 2 hours. Now it's in the oven for 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's take another color. Hello Courtney, this is eruption powder, and I would need 1 teaspoon of eruption powder. Now that the eruption that it would be a clean eruption, but it turned out to be a phreatic eruption, and a phreatic eruption is when it goes down the side. But clean is like when it goes up. So these rocks are called pumice, and pumice comes from volcanoes after they erupt. It takes many years before they can form. The benefit of volcanoes is rubber. The rubber that we have for rubber boots, rubber bands, they come from lava. I'm gonna pour the Coca-Cola in. I think it's gonna turn into a Plinian eruption, which will go really big.
Oh, it's erupting! That's what happens if you put Mentos.
The materials I used was lemon juice and eruption powder. The lemon juice didn't really go all the way down. It only went down the peak of the volcano. The second one, I used lemon juice, eruption powder, and with the addition of dish soap, which only went halfway down the volcano. The third one, we didn't use the rest of the materials, but we only used soda and Mentos, which made a really big Plinian eruption, which is good because but after the eruption, the ashes that come from the lava can make fertile soil, which is good for agriculture, for farmers to grow their crops. In conclusion, the first one I did was the lemon juice and the eruption powder, which represented a phreatic eruption. The second one was lemon juice, eruption powder, and dish soap, which represented a Plinian eruption. The third one was soda and Mentos only, which represented a Plinian eruption, which was the Plinian eruption was the bigger one with the soda and Mentos because it produces more land and human beings can live there. Example, Hawaii. Volcano helps with making sidewalks and also making crystal minerals that are used for necklaces. And the ashes that come from volcanoes make fertile soil for crops to grow, fruits and vegetables. And it also makes sidewalks for people to walk on. It also produces land. It makes rubber for our boots and rubber bands. It helps by taking off hot stuff from the magma chamber that is inside the earth. Because if the world is too hot, then the world might collapse because it's not good for the earth. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will glow in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. Possible. And we'll dream impossible. I will chase, I will reach, I will fly until I'm breaking out my cage like a bird in the night. I know I'm changing.